We have something special for you. I have been challenged by a local security department to try to escape from the regulation handcuffs and leg irons after being sealed up inside of a heavy-duty, waterproof, virtually airtight canvas bag. I would like to introduce to you my special guest from the security department, Jessica. Jessica, if you would please, I'd like you to set your irons on that table, and I'd like somebody else up here to act as a referee. Madam, would you please come up here? You'll notice some steps here, don't use them. Just see if you're listening, come on. What is your name? Jackie? Trish, come on out. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Jessica, Jackie, and Trish. Now, Jackie, what I'd like you to do, step over here. I want you to examine my sack. I want you to make sure that there's nothing in it. Check inside the bag, check outside the bag. Jackie, pay particular attention to the hems and the seams. I want you to look for lock picks, keys, bolt cutters, jaws of life, anything that might help me out. Jessica, while she's examining the bag, I want you to come over here and examine me completely. Check me everywhere. Check the bottoms of my feet. Could you do that again? No, I'm just kidding. My hair. My mouth. Okay. Jessica, big question. Will you verify for everybody here that I'm clean or that I have nothing on me?
He has nothing on him.
Jackie, are you happy with the sack?
I am.
Okay. Jackie, what I want you to do is put the bag down here on the floor just like you have it so the mouth falls straight down on it. Just kind of open up the mouth. I don't want to touch it. Now, could you spin it around just a little bit? A little bit more? Perfect. Folks, I want to tell you about the bag. The bag is made out of heavy-duty canvas. It is waterproof. It is virtually airtight. At the top of the bag, a leather strap has been riveted to the outside. This will enable Jessica and Jackie, once I'm in the bag, to pull it so tight that it would be impossible for me to pull the top of the bag down inside, and because of those rivets, just as impossible to remove the strap from the bag. Now, doctors have estimated that a person of my size and metabolism trying to escape from restraints in a space that small has roughly 2.5 to maybe 3 minutes of oxygen. Any longer than that, you face a possibility of death by suffocation. Now, Jackie, you've been with security for a couple of years. You've brought a boatload of irons here. I want you now to lock me up as you would your most dangerous criminal. Okay, music low, music level down. Folks, I'm going to turn around because I want you to see what I think Jessica's done. And then she brought out something else, which it's on my thumbs, but I'm going to show you what she's done. Because it's not regulation. So, thank you. Folks, I'm going to run over into the bag. Jessica and Jackie, once I get into the bag, I want you two to work the bag all the way up over me. Once it's all the way up over me, please bring it all the way back down. Bring it all the way up. All the way up, please. All the way, Folks, I want to invite your imagination to come with me into this bag. I want you to try to imagine what it would feel like if you were chained up tight in a small space like this, barely able to move, running out of air. Now, if anything goes wrong, Tricia and Jessica have been instructed to get me out of the bag, get the handcuffs off of me, and do everything possible to revive me. In the event of an emergency, Jessica, you do have the keys. May I see them? Thank you. All right, folks. A great man once said that the old have to die, but the young can at any moment. And in just a moment, this bag's going to be cinched up tight. Tricia will then start watching for the time. If you guys are ready, let's go. Thank you.